Hey friends, how you guys doing? I have missed you guys. This is Trika of trickaplans. Welcome to my channel. I am here where planning and cuteness collide, and I'm here today to do a rewind plan with me. I'm a week behind, you guys. I have been on vacation. I am refreshed. I feel amazing. I had construction. It's all, everything is going smoothly so far. So I'm gonna back plan for the week of the 17th through the 23rd, which was vacation week. So if you guys are here for all of the cuteness and you are ready to jump into this Hobonichi weeks with me, then just come on. Okay, so I'm going to be using this kit, this Hobonichi Weeks kit from Rasberyl Designs. I don't know if this is limes and mint leaves, but I took it as margaritas because it's vacation and why not? And I also have some decor from Oh Hello Stationery Co. So you guys, I have so much. I mean, I have to tell you guys all about my vacation. I have to tell you, I have so many hauls. I have a box full of items and goodies for you guys. So let's get started with this plan with me. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this bottom washi as usual. Okay, and these days of the week, let me find my tweezers. Hold on. Okay, you guys, so this spread is going to be really fun and simple because I'm going to have fun in the sun. I'm going to Panama City. I'm going to the beach, and I am not going to be doing anything, but you know, I am going to sneak a couple of planners in my bag. Well, I did sneak a couple of planners in my bag, and I put it on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram and you are here for the cuteness, follow me at trickaplans on Instagram. So what I did Monday, of course, you know, it was Coffee Monday. Monday I had to work, of course. I had to work. I had to make sure I packed everything. I pre-packed, but I gotta make sure that I packed. Okay, and what else did I do? All my last minute items. So I'll just put last minutes, and then I had to get all cell phone accessories, make sure I have all of that. Okay, then I had to get my snacks, and you know, when you're going on a trip you need your snacks. So this is Coffee Monday. Okay, excuse me, my little, I put my desk back together, but it's kind of wobbly, so I have to make my calls on Tuesday. I had to check emails. Okay, and then Thursday, check emails. Put all luggage by the door. Recheck everything and hit it. Road trip. Okay, road trip. So Panama City. Fun in the sun. Okay, vacation. So I'm gonna stop right here. This is my completed spread for the week of the 17th through the 23rd. I'm just gonna write the dates in because I don't feel like looking for any date dots or anything. I gotta see what is shaking on my desk. You guys just take it as love. Your girl trying to get back. So this is it. Okay, you guys, this is the completed spread. I will fill all this stuff in. This is for the week of the 17th through the 23rd. I just did beach vibes because I am on vacation this week. So I just wanted to pop in, go ahead and get this done. And you guys know what time it is. If you want to be a part of the cuteness squad, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. And if you are already rocking with the cuteness squad, you know, hit the thumbs up, leave your girl a comment, and let me know what you thinking. Say hello, you name it. So I am totally here for the cuteness, and I hope you guys are as well. And remember, thanks for joining Tricka Plans, the cuteness squad. Toodles.